Hello everyone, good morning. This is Miss Neha here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today we will continue with our next lesson, topic 14, lesson 2, defining and non-defining attributes of 2D shapes. Page numbers are 753 till 756 and your homework pages are 757 till 758 and today is 13th of April 2020. So before I start with this lesson, let's watch a video that are we washing our hands properly? Now, if you're washing your hands like this, you can see that did you wash it properly or no? No. Still the germs are there. If you're just washing like this again, no. You should wash for 20 seconds. Perfectly. And now you see, you are free of germs. Please wash your hands properly. Now let's take a review on what we learned yesterday in lesson 1. Now these are the 2D shapes. Now you know what are 2D shapes, right? Two-dimensional shapes, shapes which are flat. They're flat shapes. It means they just have front and back. Now here, the first one. Can you tell me what shape is this? It's a excellent. It's a square. Now, a square has how many sides and how many vertices? So, how many straight sides you can see here for square? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. And we learned that all the sides are equal. They are of same length. Now, how many vertices? How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Next. Can you tell me which shape is this? It's a circle. Good job. It's a circle. Now, does a circle have sides and vertices? Can you see any straight sides over here? Any straight side or any corner? No. So, 0 sides and 0 vertices. A circle do not have any side or any vertices. Next. Which shape is this? It's a, come on kids, it's a excellent triangle. It's a triangle. Now how many sides triangle? A triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Now it doesn't mean that all the sides needs to be equal. It can be any length. One can be small, another can be big, but they should be straight and they should have 3 sides. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. The last one. Oh, we took this color. Which shape is this? It's a rectangle. Good job. It's a rectangle. How many sides a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And we also learned that only 2 pairs of sides are equal. Of sides are equal. It means this side and this side, these 2 sides are equal, and this side, they both are equal. Okay? And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. So now you know all these shapes, how many sides do they have and how many vertices? And we also learned that they all are closed shape, right? They all are closed. They are not open. They are closed shape. Now let's begin with our lesson.
Are these all the same kind of shape? Let's find out. How are these shapes alike?
Come on, kids, tell me, how are they all same? Look at the sides and vertices. Do they have all same number of sides and vertices? Let's watch.
One way they are alike is they all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. They are also all closed shapes. How are these shapes different?
Can you tell me how they all are different over here? Because they have different color, right?
They are different colors and sizes. They are also in different positions. Shapes are defined by the number of straight sides and vertices, and whether they are closed or not. This is a closed shape. It has 4 vertices and 2 pairs of sides that are the same length. What is the name for a shape that is a closed figure and has 4 vertices and 2 pairs of sides that are the same length?
This is what we just learned yesterday, right? There is a shape which has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and only 2 sides are of same length. What is that shape called? It is called a rectangle.
This shape is a rectangle. Are all of these shapes rectangles?
Select your answer.
Now tell me, look at the shapes over here. Are they all rectangle? Look at the sides. Only 2 sides needs to be, 2 pair of the sides needs to be equal. And they have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So are they all rectangle? Yes, it's a rectangle. They all are rectangle.
Yes, they all have the traits needed for rectangles. Why are these shapes not the same kind of shape?
Can you tell me why these shapes are not same kind? Because here, this one is a rectangle, right? And this shape is a circle. And this shape is a hexagon. So, they all are different shapes. But one thing is same in all. What is it? They all are which color? They all are of blue color. Okay?
This shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices. This shape has no vertices. This shape has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Shapes are not defined by color. Even though the shapes are the same color, they are not the same kind of shape. These shapes are all blue, but there is a rectangle, a circle, and a hexagon. What is each of these shapes? How do you know?
Now we know that all these shapes are rectangle. They have 4 sides and 4 vertices, right?
These are all rectangles. Each one is a closed shape with 4 sides and 4 vertices. 2 pairs of sides on each shape are the same length. Are all of the rectangles in the same position? No, they are not all in the same position. Are all of the rectangles the same size? No, they are not all the same size. Does size or position determine if the shapes are rectangles?
Can you tell me, kids, the size, if the size are different and the position also is different, does this define the shape of rectangle? No.
No, shapes are not defined by size or position. Now you know which attributes define shapes and which attributes do not.
Now, let me explain you this video in detail over here. Now, here let's take an example. Are these all same kind of shape? Look at the shapes over here. Now, do you think they all are of same kind? Yes, they are same. And which shape is it? They all are triangle. Why they are triangle? Because they have how many sides and how many vertices? All of them have how many sides? Let's count. Look here. Here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All these shapes have 3 sides. And they all have how many vertices? They all have 3 vertices, right? So, which shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices? A triangle, right? They all are of same shape. They have same number of sides and same number of vertices. But one thing's different over here is what? What things are different over here? The different thing over here is they all are of different color, size, and position. Right? You can see over here all the colors, they are different over here. And do you think all the size are same? No. They are all of different size. And the position, do you think they all are in same place? No, they all have different. They all have different colors, different shapes and size, and different position. Now, next. Now, the shapes are not. Let me move here. Okay. Now, shapes are not defined by what? We learned in the video that they are not defined by the colors. If the colors are same, it doesn't mean they all are same shape. Okay, so this is, they are not defined. Now you can see here this one, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now these 3 shapes, do you think they all are same? This is a hexagon. This is a triangle. and this is a rectangle. Now, do you think they all are same? No, because they have different number of sides and vertices. Only the colors are same. So you cannot say over here that just because the colors are same, the shapes are same. No. So the shapes are not defined by color. Next, they are also not defined by their sizes. Okay, now let's see here on the left side. They are all rectangles, right? Are they all of same size? No, they are not of same size, but still they are rectangle. Why? Because they all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Only the size is different. And the last one is position. Even if they are not in the same place, they are still rectangle because they have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So they are not defined. You cannot say the shapes are defined by the color, size, and position. How are they defined? The shapes are defined by 3 ways. What are they? They are defined by the number of sides. Do they have same number of sides? Next, number of vertices. And the last one is, are they all closed shape? So this is how you define the shape. If all the shapes have the same number of sides, if they have the same number of vertices, and they all are closed shape, so you will say that this is the shape which is given. Now here you can see here on top, this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. They all have same number of sides. They all have same numbers of vertices. And they all are closed shape. So they all are what? They all are rectangle. Okay? Now, open your book, page number 753, and let's begin with the lesson. Now, I will read for you here the question. Are all these figures the same kind of shape? Explain how you know. Now, I'll give you 1 minute. I want you to look all the shapes over here. Do you think they all are of same kind? Yes, they all are of same kind. Why? Because we learned 3 things, right? How would you define the shape? They should have same number of sides. They should have same number of vertices, and they all should be a closed shape. So here you can write, yes, they are of same kind. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and they all are closed shape. It's a triangle. Okay, so they are of same kind. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and they all are closed shape, and it's a triangle. Now here, let's move to our next page. Page number 754. Circle the words that are true for the shape. Now, what shape is this? It's a square, right? Now, all the squares are blue. Do they have 4 equal sides? They all are closed shapes. And are they small? Are they all small? Now, here you can see they all have 4 equal sides and they all are closed shape, right? This is what we have learned. A shape is defined by the number of equal sides, whether it has same number of vertices, same number of sides, and they all should be closed. They are not defined by the color or the size or shape. Okay? Let's move to our next page. Page number 755. This is an independent practice. I will explain you and you will do it. Circle the words that are true for each shape. All triangles have 3 sides, have 3 equal sides. They are tall or they are orange. Now you have to circle the correct one over here. In triangle, all the sides are not equal. Only in square, all the sides are equal. So you know which you have to circle here. Now, number 3, this is a circle, right? Now, circles. All circles are blue. They all have 0 vertices. Are they all small? Or they have 0 straight sides? Now, which is the correct one? You have to circle it over here. Question number 4. Tim says that this is a triangle. Is he correct? Tell why or why not. Now, as you can see this shape over here, do you think it's a triangle? Yes or no? You have to explain why. This is what we learned, right? Place your finger here and then you move all the way here, then come up again, and you have to write whether it's closed. Does it have 3 sides and 3 vertices? And is it a triangle? Now you know the answer, how to write. Kids, if you don't understand, please feel free to ask me. I will explain it to you again. Let's move to our next page, the last page. Now, question number 5. This is the problem solving. Do all triangles have equal sides? Circle yes or no. Now, this is what I explained in the last page. All the triangles have equal sides? No. Choose a tool to show how you know. So what you can do here is you can draw triangles. Now, one triangle can be like this. One triangle can be like this. One can be like that. Another one can be like that. In triangle, they should have 3 vertices and they should have 3 sides. But they are not supposed to be equal. All the sides are of different sizes, okay? But they are straight. Now, question number 6. Jake says both of these shapes are hexagons because they are closed. They have 6 straight sides and are red. Do you agree? Now he says that both of these shapes, they are same. Do you think they are same? You have to write down. Do you agree with him? And write why do you think they are same or they are not same. Number 7, you have to match it. Here you have rectangle, circle, and triangle. For rectangle, do they have 3 vertices, 4 vertices, or no sides? For circle, 3 vertices, 4 vertices, or no side. For triangle, 3 vertices, 4 vertices, and no sides. So I think this one is much easy. You can easily solve it. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson quite well. Please feel free to ask me if you don't understand anything. I will explain you again. Okay, till then, take care, stay safe, stay clean, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.